An inexperienced mechanic these days, and I come across a lot of them, can change the oil, he can change filters if he's very careful. Even then, we've got...
He said, hey.
It's pretty difficult to work on modern vehicles, like changing the oil, say on a BT50. If you drain the oil and leave it drained for more than 10 minutes and fill it up again, you can wreck the motor. Now, an inexperienced mechanic would not know that. And a lot of ordinary mechanics don't know, and it's been printed and printed and printed everywhere. And unless you read the technical magazines, you may have overlooked that. It's because the oil pump on those things have a vane pump. And if they drain out of oil, they will not re-pump up again. So you've got 10 minutes to drain the oil. And I've sat there visiting mechanics in big workshops and said, you got the oil out of the sump, mate? Yeah, you go and have his lunch. If he comes back and has his lunch, he won't get oil pressure. He can rev the motor until it wrecks the motor. So an inexperienced motor mechanic would need to know really what he's doing.